Hello everyone. Today I will give review of Crosstour action camera, which is CT9300. That's a model. So I have taken a few shots. I have filmed in the daytime while driving and in the evening, and we will compare with another camera. I used a Samsung A70, so we will see both pictures, and we'll go through the settings and try to understand how easy is to play around, or how easy is to use this camera, or is it tough. What's the plus and minus of these cameras? Is it really worth it to buy? Let's check it out. I hope you like this video, which uh, gives you plenty of options to see how the film came out, how the video came out, and just a brief knowledge about the small camera, which is really good, uh, and about the settings, how we can use it. Two major drawbacks which I found in this camera. There's no Bluetooth connectivity, which is really hard to believe. I wish there is a Bluetooth connection so you can just leave your camera and hook it up with your laptop and then transfer your files. The second thing is batteries. Now the battery doesn't last that long. That's what I noticed. So I have used a full battery and it lasted me continuous and half an hour, 45 minutes. If I want to just drag along, probably 1 hour. So 1 hour filming with one battery, and then you have a spare battery, you can use another spare battery. So it's always handy to carry batteries with you to keep filming your whatever adventure you're filming. That's the two only drawbacks: Bluetooth connectivity and battery life. Otherwise, this camera, the good thing about this is this screen. With the money which I spend or money which anybody will spend, uh, you will not get this camera, you will not get any camera, I would say, with a front screen and with this performance. So overall, I'm pretty satisfied. Please do leave comment and subscribe my channel and share and aware others also. Thank you so much.